Our FD120 is re-engineered and upgraded with new rollers, as well as a two-way soft close mechanism. This allows less than 5 pounds of pull force to open and close the door. With our new features, it is very easy to install for builders. There is a two-part track, which allows you to remove the track, slide the door out, and again, you can change the door, you can change the hardware. This makes it faster, easier for installation. For the homeowners, they get their sliding door completed a lot faster as well.